Hello, hello mga ka-check sound. Yes, here we are again. To all great YouTubers and all users who are very new to this, if you have any suggestions to help me improve, please comment down below. Let me know. I think I'm loud. I'm not sure. Too much echo, I think. I don't. I don't get used to this. To use this. Thank you very much. Yeah. It's my first time. If you have any suggestion, my YouTube channel is just for collection of my videos. Yeah, I use it to apply a job, of course. Yes, how to take off the while I'm talking. I don't know yet. I will learn later. Yeah. And my first time to do this, and you're all inspiration to me, especially now it's pandemic. It's only for my collection before, but now I think I have to do what you're doing. And I know it's a long and winding road. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Yeah, finally, thank you very much for the sponsor helping us. I don't know how to use this, but I will try my best. Yes, how to speak and sing. All right, but now I will try. My first time. Thank you very much for helping me also for the advice, of course. Yeah, I've seen somebody when they are talking, and it's nice to hear without the effects. All right. Later, I will try to learn it. Okay? Wait. What's that? Yeah, I think I pushed some button. I don't know. All right, I'll try to sing one song. I already did one song before. Yeah. That I don't have a mic before. Yeah, I wish I could turn up the effects while talking. Yeah, hello? Still have. I think here's the reverb. Yeah, I'll turn off first. Thank you very much for helping me. Let's help each other. All right. All right, this time I'll try one song. I think I feel like I'm loud. I'm not sure. There's a button tape. I put it in the middle. Not sure. I'm really not sure what to do. I'm sorry. All right, let's put it to o'clock. All right, I will try to sing one song. Let's see. I recorded this song before without a mic, and I will compare. Have an effects, and I think it's much easier to sing. I wanna give my love to you completely. I beg of you to listen to my heart. I've never prayed like this before, and I'm asking you not to close the door, for I can tame the wind, smooth the waters, if you just let me. I've never prayed like this before, and I'm asking you not to close the door, for I can tame the wind, smooth the waters, you just let me. I wanna give you all the strength within me to make a world but cannot fall apart. And you can sit upon a throne, around give it all, just for you alone. Or I can tame the wind, smooth the waters, if you just let me. I've never prayed like this before, and I'm asking you not to close the door, for I can tame the wind, smooth the waters, you just let me. Love me. All right. Later I can hear it. And thank you very much. I'm sorry I cannot teach you. I did this video. It's not to teach you. It's because I want to learn more. And if you have any suggestions, just comment down below and let me know. And I think I will watch more videos. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is a nice sound card. Yeah, and I will try again another song. Let me see. Yeah, don't get used to these are my computer's, yeah, hanging. Thank you very much. That's another song. Oh, let's go to the PC. Yeah, I cannot use also my MIDI when I use the computer because I don't have a module anymore. Let me try this, another song. Let me see if I can still remember. Try to listen later the sound. Of course, it's nice when you have a sound card. And to all great YouTubers, thank you very much. If you have a suggestion, please let me know. This is all I can afford. We can afford, me and my wife. The mic, yeah, but this one for the V8S. Thank you very much for the one who gave us. All right, let's try this another song. I think it's loud. Maybe I don't wanna know the reason why, but lately you don't talk to me, and all and I can see me in your eyes. I hold you near, but you're so far away, and it's losing you I can't believe. To watch you leave and let this feeling die. Are you alone? You alone are the living thing that keeps me alive. And tomorrow, if I'm here without your love, you know I can't survive. Only my love can raise you high above it all. Don't throw it all away, our love. 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 We can take the darkness and make it full of light. But let your look go back to me. How can you leave and let this feeling die? This apple room would be a lonely place when you were gone, and I won't even have your shoulder for the crying out. No other woman's love to be as true. I'm begging you, don't throw it all away, don't throw it all away, don't throw it all away, don't throw it all away now. We changed the world we made, but I still have screams the night for those who really tried. This is a street, but I still feel you inside. Alright, I guess that's it. I changed my style. When I was young, I used to sing these Bee Gees. Then when I changed my style, I think I kind of lost it. And I tried to do something else. And this is not, this is just checking what this machine can do for me. I think it helps a lot, really helps a lot. All right. Maybe you want to sing?
No. You're already a microphone. You don't need a microphone because you're already.
Ah, yeah. All right. Let me sing another song. I'll try another song. Oh. Let's try REDPINK. I really miss the old days. And now I use metal and rock. It was kind of reverse, you know. When I was young, I used to sing the oldies. And when I get old, I change. They try to tell us we're too young. Too young to really be in love. They say that love's a word, words we've only heard, but can't begin to know the meaning of. And yet, we're not too young to know this love will last though years may go. And then someday they may recall we were not too young at all.